guys, today is Sunday, the 12th of November 2023. I told you guys I wanted to document this trip and ask me why it is 10:45 a.m. My flight is when somewhere around the 20th. Yeah, I like this. I made myself a hot chocolate together with the wheat bread. Tomorrow I need to go take my pictures for my passport and then hope to get it on Tuesday or Wednesday. My process is actually express, so everything is rushed. I just hope everything is correct, nothing has to be changed, and then I can book my flight. After this trip, I want to do a trip to Nigeria maybe, or Togo, but I want to do it with my friends, so either Nigeria, Togo, or Cote d'Ivoire. And then after, I'd probably do Dubai and then US. I'm a feminist, I don't know, I'm just a feminine. I believe in Jesus that it's gonna work. If any of my friends is watching this, they could tell you that this particular trip is just divine manifestation. Because I remember I was sitting at Nyonyo Hub, yes, the Nyonyo Hub or something, one of Nyonyo's branches at East Legon, which is closer to Daffy's hair. And I remember we were invited by her to come for her opening for that new branch. And when we got there, something led to the other and another thing led to the other, and Gray spoke about traveling outside Ghana for the first time, and he was going to Kenya, and he hadn't told us like his prep stores there, but he told us like when he was leaving on Monday or something, because the day he told us, a couple of days was my best friend's birthday or our friend's birthday, and so he was like, oh, he probably might be in Ghana on that day, or probably might not be in Ghana, or probably might be parking for his trip. I don't really remember the statement, but we all were shocked because we were shook, and we kind of like asked him, where are you going to? And he said he's traveling to Kenya, and we're like, oh. And I'm not gonna lie, the genuine love, emotions could be felt all over the room. Like everybody was super excited for him, like everybody was rooting for him. I was so excited for him because bro, we've come far. And I know how many times he had wanted to give up on this journey, or the journey of his that he's on right now, and I just kept saying, don't give up. After that time, I was saying don't give up. My friends were on me because I never finished up my passport process, and that will lead me to tomorrow because I'm supposed to go and take my pictures for my passport tomorrow. And I just was like, why are you guys coming for me? And they're like, no, London, with your brand, with everything that you do, you need to travel outside Ghana. It's gonna help you, and all of that stuff. And my friends were right. I never know when the opportunity will come, and the opportunity came so fast. It's Josie streaking me. The opportunity came so fast in a rush. I didn't plan, but God be good. I just had the funds there to support, and so I'm privileged. So I'm imagining if somebody else is watching this and such an opportunity come to you, would you say you're not equipped, you're not ready? You might miss out. You might miss out on that big opportunity of yours. So please never take anything for granted.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was smart, to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that.
So before I forget that I'm actually vlogging, let me just make this clear. So I know I haven't been posting as much as I promised you guys. It's just that it's been a lot for me trying to like work on my papers, my travel documents basically. It's just been too much for me. As you can see, I just came back from the hospital. I went to have my yellow fever shot. Yesterday I had to do a shoot, like director shoots for a client together with Theozy. Passed over his house and went to the hospital this morning. It's now like 2, almost 1 or 2. It's like almost 2, sorry, p.m. and I'm now home. I'm about to shower because I feel musty, and I'm grateful to God because I got everything that I needed. So I'm trying to arrange my travel card or document. As you can see, I've got my I've got my COVID card here. I've got my Ghana card also as well here. I don't know if you guys can see. I got my Ghana card. I've got my bank cards basically, but I don't know if I'm gonna travel with them because bro, there isn't any money in it. So my COVID card looks a mess in a way. But yeah, I vaccinated for COVID. This is my passport. And I got this booklet. Hey, she said now start to tell. I got this booklet for my passport. I don't know, I felt like it was so cute. It wasn't like the regular colors, so I just got it. So I'm gonna put my passport in it. So that's my yellow fever card. Yeah. I did my vaccination. Yeah.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get
It's the first thing I picked. So guys, Ata actually made me some cool outfits, but I'll show you guys when I'm there. Bye guys. Is your rusky? It's the way I'm stressed this girl sitting there like the whole time. See?
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, but maybe it's too late.